Midjourney finally added video, and I created this and this and this in less than 2 minutes for each one.
Ooh, this is nice!
And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I made all of these prompts and all, how it goes against other AI video generators like Sora and VO3, the price of it, and a secret hack at the end of how to add yourself just like this in your video. And I got all the timestamps below if you want to jump to certain sections or go back to some. Now let me show you how I made this one. So first we're going to go to midjourney.com. I think this is the easiest way to do it. And I'm going to put a simple prompt that you could either add in the explore page or you go straight to create. So you put road going up the hill, red Lambo, driving up the hill, dramatic, cinematic, very simple prompt. So for Midjourney, you have to create the image before you can make the video. So let me show you the image. So for the image, it's going to create 4 different versions of your prompt. So I believe the second one is the best one. So if I want to turn this into a video, I'm going to go into the animated image, and it has 2 different versions, auto or manual, right? Auto, you allow AI to do the motion for you. You can do low motion and high motion, or you can do manual where you have a little bit more control of exactly where you want it to go. For me, I'm just going to hit low motion and see what it does. Now, just like the image, it creates 4 different variations, and you get to pick which one you like the best. I think the first one is pretty good, is exactly what I needed. Now, let's see how it does with products. So I went and found a random product. I like bond number 9, but you can add any product to this. So we're going to go back to midjourney.com, and we're going to put this prompt, the bottle in the middle of New York City street surrounded by traffic. But we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to upload the image into Omni Reference, which will take the bottle and use its likeness. So I'm going to drag it into the Omni Reference, and I'm going to put it under 300. So it goes up to 1,000. The higher that you go, the stronger that it uses exactly the reference, and the lower it goes, it becomes a little bit more creative, right? So I'm going to stick with 300, but you can mess around with it, and let me show you the results. So here's the image. It created 4 different variations again. I like the very first one, and we're going to go into animated image so it can make the video, and we're actually going to go with high motion on auto for this one. And here's the video that it created on high motion. I believe this one's the best one, but you let me know. Now let's make some fun animated characters. All right, so once again, we're going to put it into our prompt. Just a cute shark in the water, looking happy, sunset backdrop, Pixar style. That's going to be important. Put Pixar style. So once again, they made 4 different variations. I think this one is the cutest. So let's try to make a video of it and put high motion again. So these are the videos that it created in high motion. I think all of them are fire. But now I want to create another video using the same character. So what I'm going to do is take the image that I like, and I'm going to upscale it subtle, right? And so this is what it's going to come out with. Once I get the upscale version of it, I'm going to put it into Omni Reference to lock in that character. And I'm going to put have the shark underwater, and all you see is cute fishes around him, Pixar style. So here are the 4 variations. Remember, we have to create the image before we create the video when it comes to Midjourney. And so I like this one best, and I'm going to go with auto and low motion this time. And these are the videos that it created. So now I could combine the 2 scenes that I just created and do more scenes just like that, just so I can have kind of like a little short film. Don't forget, I'm gonna show you how to add yourself into these videos later on in the video. But before we continue, in the comments, let me know which style did you like the best. 1, the car, 2, the product, or 3, the Pixar character. Now let's see how Midjourney goes against OpenAI Sora and Google's VO3. I want you to comment which one you like best after seeing all 3. So first, let's start with the car. So this is what Midjourney did for the red Lambo, and this video is 5 seconds. Now this is what Sora did, and this video is also 5 seconds. And this is what VO3 did, and this one has sound. So for the second one, let's do a lion. So since I didn't show you the lion before, I'm gonna give you this prompt in the description too, but this is what Midjourney did with the lion. And this is what Sora did with the lion, and it just made it into a random lion too. And this is VO3. For round 3, let's do the shark. And so this is what Midjourney did with the shark. Here is Sora's version of the shark. And here is VO3. So out of the 3 rounds, who won? Was it Midjourney? Was it Sora? Or was it VO3? Which round? Who had each round? Drop that in the comments. Now, how much does Midjourney cost? And it's actually not that bad. Quick disclaimer, all the videos that you saw, plus I did like 18 different versions of videos. I did that all in the $10 a month plan, right? So you don't have to start with the 120 or the 60 a month. Like you could start to see if you like it in the 10 a month. It gives you enough credits to test out the waters, gives you great images. Now, once you run out, you probably want to do the $30 that gives you 15 hours extra of fast generations. And if you're thinking about taking this serious, you probably want the $60 one because that gives you unlimited video generations. And then, of course, 120 for those people who are really, really crazy about it. But now we're at the part where you can turn yourself into the video, just like I did with here inside of Midjourney. Let me show you how I did it. So what I did to make that video, I put the prompt, woman laying on bed at night with her eyes closed with fire rain into the water behind her. But what I did was get a picture of myself and I put it into the Omni reference and I put it to 200, right? Boom. And let me show you how it came out. Now, as we know, Midjourney makes 4 versions of it. The first one was fire because you can see that it even does the lion on the hat. So I had to hit that one. And to turn this into a video, I'm going to actually put it on auto low because I don't want anything crazy happening in my face. So here are the 4 different versions that it came up with, and all of them are really good. So it's just a preference at this point. Here was another video that I made of myself. And here's another one that I did with myself and Mario. Now this one didn't get it all the way good, but it's good enough. And remember, that's all by putting in the Omni reference and messing with the Omni strength. That is going to be the key to putting yourself in these videos. So don't forget, all the prompts are going to be in the description so you could try it out yourself. But we just went over how to make videos inside of Midjourney, how it compared to all the other AI video generators like Sora and VO3, the price of it, and how to add yourself into these videos. Now, I need your honest opinion, 1 to 10. How do we feel about Midjourney? Has it entered the chat? Can it go toe-to-toe with these other video generators, or should it have just stuck with images? Let me know your honest opinion. I'm going to be adding more prompts to those who are part of my channel membership, right? We got Content Cub and my main squad. Shout out to y'all. Let me know what prompts you want me to show more of or create more. I'll put that in our members only post probably in the next couple of days. But let me know what you think about Midjourney, and then, yeah, check this next video.